Who needs friends or family when you have the Hub? We've got your back, where we show you the most interesting and fun videos floating around the internet. Stay tuned to see one of the furriest animals in the world. 3, 2, 1, go. We at the Hub are officially not endorsing this behavior, but it is pretty cool to watch. These are a group of teenagers and young guys that climb onto the side of trains in Berlin, you know, for fun. And while you might think train jumping requires some courage, not nearly as much courage as it would take to stare down this beast. It is an albino white lion. Look at how huge he is. You might think a lion is the toughest animal in the animal kingdom, but you'd be wrong. Check out the water bear, also known as a tardigrade. These are the toughest little suckers in the animal kingdom. They have been found inside volcanoes and glaciers. They're everywhere. Take a look at the Bay of Fundy off the coast of Nova Scotia. It is a region on Earth that is more strongly affected by tides than anywhere else on the planet. This much water comes in and out of the bay every day. Take a look at the furriest species of rabbit. This is the Angora rabbit. They grow thicker fur than any other rabbit in the rabbit family. Impressed with the Angora Rabbit? Well, how about the Oren Coast here in Italy? It is full of all sorts of nooks and crannies where you can eat pizza and have wine and swim and fly your drone. But I'm pretty interested in the photographer's life. He was in Andorra and shot all that in Italy, and then he traveled all the way here to the Oregon coast. Where would you rather live, a coastal paradise like Andorra or here in the thick wooded wilderness of Oregon? Big shout out to Maggie and YouTuber RM. Leave us a comment below and I'll put my favorite ones in a future video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you again very, very soon right back here on the Hub.